Yo, what's up everybody? Hopefully you guys are all doing well, having a tremendous day. Hopefully you guys are all doing absolutely incredible. My name is Frame Codes. For those of you who don't know, today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a fishing spot for your player, okay? Those of you who don't know, for those of you out there who have played Fish It, who have played any game where you need to fish, you are likely familiar with this concept, okay? It's just kind of a way for players to click and get random rewards. I'll take it very easy for you guys. Yeah, let's do it. So first things first, insert a part into your workspace. Make it look kind of like, you know, I don't know, maybe make it look like water. So instead of that, maybe make it look like a cylinder, you know, maybe a little patch of water. I want to make this bigger. No, we do not want to make it bigger that way. But yeah, so maybe make it look obviously like water. I think that looks enough like water, to be honest. We're gonna kind of bring it up here. I think that's good. I don't think I did anything. But yeah, make it look like water. This is going to be our fishing spot. We can call it the fishing spot. If I could type properly, that's what we're gonna do. Call it fishing spot. Make sure it is anchored. You already know the deal by now. And yeah, you could even make it kind of cool. I'm trying to think of a cool kind of thing. Water. Nope, that does not exist. I don't really use a lot of materials a lot. I mean, this looks like water. No, that obviously doesn't look like water. This looks kind of shiny. I think that's a cool effect for the water, right? Anyways, inside of your fishing spot, make sure you have a click detector, because that is what's going to let the player fish, honestly, just by clicking. And inside of your fishing spot, you need to have a script, okay? And this script, we can call it the fishing script. Beautiful. So here is going to just be how players are able to get random rewards, for example, off of something like this. Okay, perfect. So now that we have this all in place, let's try it out. All right, so yeah, so as you can see, we have our cache right here. And for those of you who are wondering how we got the cache right here, I will insert just a quick clip of how you do that. Basically, all you need to do is you need to go to server script service and you need to create a Leaderstats script. It's very simple, honestly, very straightforward. You know, make sure you take a little picture of that. That's basically the brains behind the operation. So yeah, now that we have our Leaderstats script, again, if you're wondering, I did do a video on how to make a Leaderstats script, so I can always, I'll add that to this video. But yeah, make sure you have your Leaderstats script in order for this to work. Otherwise, your fishing script will not work at all. And I just pulled up the Leaderstats script I always develop before each of my tutorials. So yeah, make sure you take a picture of that. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to walk up to the water, because again, you can see that it does have the click detector. And in this instance, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to now be able to make, you know, cash, or like increasing by a random amount. So as you can see, it's 20, then it goes up by 5, then it'll go up by another 20, and then, you know, so on and so forth. That goes up by 10, 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 then it goes up by 15, and then so on and so forth. So this is basically, you know, you could give players a rod to make them feel like they're earning money. There are a lot of cool things you can do. Again, make sure to leave a comment if you want this. I could do like an animation, so like a particle effect, a rare fish, for example. I could make a fish. I could also make it cooldown based, so players won't be able to click too fast. I could even make a GUI notification instead of it just like printing. And I could even make other tools aside from a fishing rod, because I could just go to the models and get something. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys did, make sure to leave a like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe. Let me know if you do want any of those cool add-ons, because I will make sure to include that in my next video that literally builds off of this one. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.